Hi, this tutorial will help you get started in using the AHEC Digital Library or the ADL. The ADL includes a collection of digital library services and resources compiled by AHEC librarians in order to support healthcare practice and clinical education in North Carolina. This video is for those who either have an ADL account already or are eligible for one through their hospital. If you're not sure of your eligibility, you can inquire by clicking on the Ask a Question link. There are many resources that do not require an ADL account, and there is a separate video available that will help you locate and use these. Our portal can be found at https://library.ncahec.net. Your first step is to make sure you have an ADL username and password. If you don't have a username yet, you can request one on our website. Look for the Request Account link and submit the form. If you are eligible, an AHEC staff member will set up your account and email you the necessary information. You will need to log in to use our licensed and purchased ADL resources. You can use the ADL to find databases, journals, and books. We'll start out with databases. If you click on the databases link at the top of the page, you'll see an A to Z list of databases. You can also see a list of most used databases by clicking on the top Resources Used tab on the front page. CINAHL and PubMed are two of many. Our databases provide your route to many peer-reviewed journals, images, and more. Do you want to browse journals? The ADL subscribes to dozens of health-related journal titles. Look at the Journals option near the top. You can find a journal you have browsed before, again under Top Resources Used. If you're interested in viewing an ebook, click on Books on the top menu and you will access an A to Z list of ebooks you can browse. You can also go directly to our StatRef collection under Top Resources Used. If you want to search for a specific ebook or journal title without going through the A to Z list, you can search for it in the search box on the top right. If you cannot find what you need, or you need assistance with the ADL, please ask us. We are happy to help. Simply click on the Ask a Question link on the right side of the main website.